Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can create a portfolio website in card.co. So, first thing that you should do here is just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, just have to type out card.co. Okay, and then after that, you'd be able to see here now the website. And right here at the top right of your screen, you have this three horizontal lines. Okay, so when you tap on it, you have these options. So you can log in. If you already have an account, then sign up. So you can create a free card account. You can also get answers and instructions right here. And then they also have this change leg right here. And then you can also upgrade your card experience. And then if you want to send your questions and comments, so you just have to choose this option. Okay, so to sign up for an account, you just have to simply tap on the sign up option. That's right. And then after that, you have this, section where you can type out your name, your email, your password, and then I just have to confirm the password that you have created. Then after that, you just have to tap on this. I have read and agreed to the terms of use and privacy policy of this tool. After that, you just have to simply tap on the sign up option. Okay, so here on car.co, you can also create a website first before signing up for an account. Okay, so for example, right here, all we have to do now is to choose a starting point. Okay, so before that, let me just read this one for you. You can build one page sites for pretty much anything. So whether it's a personal profile, a landing page to capture emails, or something a bit more elaborate, Card has got you covered. So simple, responsive, and totally free. So now let us choose the starting point. That's right. Okay, so right here, as you can see, we have these templates. So this is the all section. We can also select the blank page if you want to start from blank page. We also have the profile. Okay, so these are the profile templates that we can use. We have the landing pages template, the forms, and of course the portfolio. So since we are going to create a portfolio website here on car.co, so simply tap on it. Okay, and then you have here now the different template that you can use. So as you can see, some template here has labeled premium, so it means you have to upgrade your plan in order for you to use that specific template. But of course, there are so many templates that you can use for free right here. Okay, so for example, we want to use this simple template or just this one. So we can also tap on the demo option, so we can preview this template before using it. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like when you are on the desktop view, or if you are using your desktop. That's right. And then when someone using a mobile phone, and then they have visit your website, so this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so if you are good to go and then you like this template, so all you have to do now is to simply tap on the select option that you can find at the top right of your screen. Okay, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that you can now customize every element that you can find here. Okay, so here we have this options at the top right. So for this one, the three horizontal lines, you can publish your website right here. You can view your site after customizing. You can also reset all of this, and then you can change the background, the pages. You can add pages, and then we have the instructions, the shortcuts, and the documentation. So here, when we tap on the instructions, we'd be able to see here now the different purpose of the buttons that we can find here. So starting off with the plus icon or the add icon, you can actually add here the elements, the text, images, and etc. And then for this one, so this is the undo previous action. This one is the redo next action. And for this button right here, we have the preview animation. And for this one, switch to mobile view. And yeah, this one right here, you can publish your site, or you can tap on the shift plus click to quick publish. And then this one is for the more actions option. Okay, so now for example right here, let's start with the this text. So when you tapped on it, you'll be able to see this section. So if you want to change this one, okay, so my portfolio, so you can change that right here. Okay, So here, if you want to change this one as well, so you just have to tap on it. But if you want to remove this element, so you just have to tap on the delete or the bin icon. That's right. Now, for our background, so when you tapped on it right here, so this is the container. Okay, so if you want to change the appearance of your container, you can actually go here, and then you have the width, the height, the padding, and other settings for your container. Okay, now for the animation, if you want to add an animation for this container, so you just have to come here, and then if you would like to remove a specific animation, so you just have to tap on this one. Okay, so going back here, let's tap on the add elements option. So we have here now the options if what kind of element we want to add to our portfolio website. So for example, we want to add a text. Okay, then it will automatically add here the text section where you can type out the text or the word that you want to add to your portfolio. Okay, so now let's proceed to the image. For example, you would like to add a new image in this section right here, so you just have to simply tap on this one. Then you also have the option to add a title and the alternate text. Okay, so all of these options are optional, so it's up to you if you want to include this to your image. Okay, so to upload your image, just simply tap on the upload option. Okay, and then you would be directed to your computer's gallery. Then you just have to select the photo that you want to upload. Okay, so after that, you just have to simply tap on the open option after you selected the photo that you want to use. Okay, so going back here, so for example, we would like to add a table, or you want to add a list, a button, so you just have to go here. Okay, so once you are done customizing your website, so say for example, we are done adding all of the elements that we need for this portfolio. So of course, make sure that you have added your background. Okay, so after that, you just have to simply tap on the publish option. But of course, again, in order for you to publish your website, you have to create your account. So since we did not sign up for an account earlier, okay, so we are going to do that right here. So all you have to do again is to enter your name, your email, and password you'd like to use for your brand new card account, which you will use this to manage this site once it is published. Okay, so you just have to tap it up right here and then make sure that you remember your account. And then of course, can also add a brief description of the site and what's usually used in a bookmarks, search engines, listings, and etc. So for the actions, so since these options that we can find here, which are the publish to a custom domain and save as a template, are locked, so we cannot really select those options. So we can select either the publish or the save as an offline draft. Okay, so after that, you're now good to go. So you just have to make sure that you have a very responsive and attractive portfolio. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.